Good morning, student. I am Deven Chaturvedi, your maths teacher, and today I am going to start the new chapter exponent. Exponent is the power notation of the number of term repeated in multiplication form. So in this form, exponential form, there is a base and number of repetition is called power. So I hope like a raised to the b, where a is called base and b is called power. Power is also called index. So a raised to the power b is called a multiply a multiply a multiply a multiply dot 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 multiply b times. Means a is repeated b times. So you will understand this concept with the help of example as well. So let us start some example like question number 1. So student, this is the first question. 3 upon 17 multiply 3 upon 17 6 times. Then 3 upon 17 is called base, and the number of repetition 1 2 3 4 5 6 having power 6. So this is the exponential notation of this form is 3 by 17 raised to the power 6. The second part, minus 2 upon 13 multiply 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 minus 2 upon 13. So the base is minus 2 upon 13 and the power 1 2 3 4 5. Now the second question of a student, write the power notation of 81 upon 125. So in this question we have to find the prime factorization of numerator and denominator. So prime factors of 81, 327, sorry here is 625, and 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 1 ja, maybe same or different. And 625 prime factors of 625 is 5 125 times the 5 25 times the and 5 5 the and 5 1 the. Okay, write all the prime factors in multiplication form over 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So according to first question, 3 is the base and power is 4. In denominator 5 is the base, power is 4. When the same power arise in both numerator and denominator, you have to check same power. Then you can note down 3 upon 5 base and having the power 4. So student, I hope you will understand this concept. It's fractional form of exponents. The next part is 1 upon 216. Again factor of 1 will remain same, but you have to find prime factorization of 216. And 1 0 8 254 227 3 9 ja 3 3 ja 3 1 ja. Then you can note down 1 upon all the factors of 216 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 1 is called the maximum repetition of individual number is 3. So 1 is called 1 into 1 into 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3 multiply 3 raised to the power 3. 1 is called 1 raised to the power 3 is always 1, and when the power be same in the product form, combine them in multiplication form having the common power. मेरे हिसाब से I hope you will understand. And at final 1 cube upon 6 cube, power 3 is called cube. Now having the same power, then 1 by 6 whole power 3. So this is the process, student. I hope you will understand. Now the third part, minus 1 upon 27. Here is a negative sign, so you have to factorize prime factor of 27. You know 3 into 3 into 3. So minus 1 is called minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus, it will remain minus. Then minus 1 whole cube and 3 whole cube. Now check power be same, then you can write base 1 by minus 1 by 3 whole power 3. This is the power notation of minus 1 upon 27. And the last part, fourth one, minus 64 upon 125. As you know, 125 having the product 5 into 5 into 5, but 64 having 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Minus put in front of every 2 because this is the negative. Making pair, minus 2 whole power 3 multiply minus 2 whole power 3 and 5 whole power 3. So this is called 2 2 ja 4 with negative sign. Sign will not change. Whole power 3 upon 5 power 3. Now the common power, so base is minus 4 upon 5 whole power 3. This is the power notation of the given question. So student, I hope you will understand the process of exponent. Thank you.